Hello, welcome back. I'm going to do something a bit different today. I'm actually going to go fishing. Go for some Saratoga, tarpon, maybe some bass. See what's there. Just going to go to my mate's private dam. So, going to have a bit of fun instead of getting itchy and sanding on the boat. But yeah, I'll see you there. Alright, so I'm here. I set my rod up. Had a first cast just to get some line out. Oh. And the 7-weight TFO Cortland line. Ew. Oh. And the camera wasn't on, but here we are. Nice tarpon. Went 60. There we go. Alright, now the rain has kind of stopped. It was torrential. I'll keep persisting. I just had a tarpon come up onto my fly, so always, as the camera's turned off, something's going to happen. So I'll put the camera back on and we'll see how we go. Righto, changing down to a bass vampire. Got intermediate line on, only because I can't be stuffed changing it over to full sink line. So we'll see how this goes, because they're sitting about 2 meters down, and I wouldn't mind getting another tarpon. And plus, Saratoga love these things as well. There's not much surface activity at the moment, so just change. Not as big as the last one. Still fun, but got some go about them. Hey. Oh, fuck. Uncle Bass Vampire. Little trick. Oh. Got him. Woo. Another one. Might have to reach up. Oh, he's hooked this one down, I think. Top on. Ew. Righto. Oops. Right. Doing damage. I'm definitely going to have to retry this leader. Righto, that's it for today. I think I ended up with 4 tarpon, 3 tarpon, 1 Saratoga, so that's pretty good. Did piss down for about an hour. I had to put the bilge on in the boat, but thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.